A leading federal scientist in Canada has alleged he was barred from investigating a mystery brain illness in the province of New Brunswick and said he fears more than 200 people affected by the condition or experiencing an unexplained neurological decline. The allegations, made in leaked emails to a colleague seen by The Guardian, have emerged 2 years after the Eastern Province closed its investigation into a possible cluster of cases. All I will say is that my scientific opinion is that there is something real going on in New Brunswick that absolutely cannot be explained by the bias or personal agenda of an individual neurologist, wrote Michael Coulthart, a prominent microbiologist. A few cases might be best explained by the latter, but there are just too many now, over 200. New Brunswick health officials warned in 2021 that more than 40 residents were suffering from a possible unknown neurological syndrome, with symptoms similar to those of the degenerative brain disorder Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Those symptoms were varied and dramatic. Some patients started drooling and others felt as though bugs were crawling on their skin. A year later, however, an independent oversight committee created by the province determined that the group of patients had most likely been misdiagnosed and were suffering from known illnesses such as cancer and dementia. The committee and the New Brunswick government also cast doubt on the work of neurologist Dalier Marrero, who was initially referred dozens of cases by baffled doctors in the region, and subsequently identified more cases. The doctor has since become a fierce advocate for patients he feels have been neglected by the province. A final report from the committee, which concluded there was no cluster of people suffering from an unknown brain syndrome, signaled the end of the province's investigation. The leaked emails viewed by The Guardian tell a starkly different story and suggest senior research scientists in Canada's public health agency FAC remain increasingly concerned over the cause and the debilitating symptoms of a seemingly unexplained illness that disproportionately affects younger people